Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a special thanks to Grant Cardone, Elena Cardone, and all the people who actually inspired me to start my own business, to set my specific rules in order to success. I just want to tell you, Grant, it's not only about defeating a sunrise, but also defeating a sunset. Here it is. I'm finally free. I'm finally um, living my own life, or living life at my own terms, and it's all thanks to you, your 10x mentality, and everything that you taught me over a couple of years, over these 2 years since I started listening to you and watching your videos. I have been able to develop 4 different businesses and actually have 3 social networks for all the entrepreneurs that want to join my community. Today I can say that I finally did it. I actually defeat the sun also at sunset. And I'm in here with my dog. Her name is Morita. Um, and I just wanted to make this video for you guys. Thanks Elena. Thanks Grant. Thanks Tony Robbins, Gary V, um, Ty Lopez, to all you guys who actually inspired me to create my businesses, to keep moving forward, to do everything that I needed to do in order to be successful, in order to be free financially, in order to be free living life at my own terms. Here's a sunset from Mexico to you guys. I'm very thankful for you guys. Your way of thinking opened my eyes and set me apart from all these people who's actually competing to know who's the smartest or who is the best person, trying to vote for a president who actually thinks he's gonna solve all the problems. I don't want to go political all on you, to go all political on you, but I just want to tell you guys that the way you think, it's really, really, really great. It's really, I think it's have inspired a lot of people around the world to actually start to be successful. I don't know. I have 3 of your books around, and this is really, really amazing. Um, by the way, my name is Carlos Ayala. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want to walk with me during these sunsets that I've been walking for the past 2 weeks after I finished my last social network that I created, and I have been inviting all the people who want to join my community and to learn what I've learned from Grant and to apply all my knowledge regarding systems, cybersecurity, real estate, everything. Join my community now. This is a picture for you guys. This is a sunset here in Mexico. I'm really grateful for you, and also my dog. Let me introduce you, Morita. Here it is. Morita is my dog. She's a lovely dog, right? You taught me that competing with others is not the answer, but rather to dominating your sector, uh, becoming a leader that everyone wants to be, and teaching others how to be successful. That's the really way to go. The real way, the real path to walk. I don't know what else to say, guys. From Ty and Gary V, I've been taught how to market. From Grant, I've been taught how to sell, or be sold. And also to do business, to negotiate closed businesses, and everything from cold calling and hot calling and all that. I learned all of that from you guys, and I'm really thankful. And from Elena, I learned that how to create empires. That it's amazing. By the way, I also want to thank you guys for showing us how to the way to live, to the way to go through the path of life by teaching others how to be successful, how to the level of amount or the level or the right levels of effort that you have to input into yourself, into your mindset. That's amazing. That is why I wanted to give you guys this sunset here in Mexico. um, yeah, I'm just gonna, if you want to see a few of my pictures, go to my Instagram, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and also if you want to join my community, go to iamcarlosayala.com and then / reto to 12k, where I am inviting 12,000 people to join my community and learn how to start a $1 million business. Yeah, for you guys, from Grant, myself, Ty, Gary V, also to Carolina Millan from Chile. She taught me how to be resourceful, how to be what's the word? The last word: reliable, resourceful, and also resilient. Yeah. Thanks to you guys. This is a postcard for you. Thank you, Grant. From myself to you. See you guys in the next 10x next year, because this year I haven't been able to go, but next year I'll be there. I'll be inviting Grant, Elena, Gary V, Ty Lopez, and every person from the 10x community. I'll be inviting them to my event, and you'll be hearing from me, guys. Thanks to you. Thanks to all of you for being there for me when I did it the most. Thank you. Everything that you taught me, it's being executed. Everything that I learned from you, it's being put in place to set my higher goals and then set another high goal. I feel free. I feel really fine. Thank you, guys. Go to my Instagram to see the pictures I'm gonna take right now. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment the video if you like it. And also, what's the other thing you need to do? Turn on notifications if you want to see market, building empires from myself to you guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.